In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and switch back to the old app icons here on iOS 26. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, with iOS 26, Apple did introduce the new liquid glass interface, which also changed the look of these app icons. However, it's super easy to switch back to the classic ones. Essentially, just long press on any empty area on your home screen until everything starts to jiggle, and then tap Edit up in the top left. From here, go ahead and select Customize, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is select Default, and you'll immediately see your icon switch back to the original style from before iOS 26. You can also experiment with other options in here, like adjusting the brightness or choosing tinted styles if you prefer. But honestly, I just like the default look since it is the closest to how the icons were before the update. But that is it. That is how you could switch back to the old app icons here on iOS 26. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.